Well, as far as the top line is concerned, it's more or less in line with expectation, slightly better than expectation. The revenue growth has come at 3.7%, but what has disappointed is the guidance and the net profit growth. Net profit growth is just about 1%. There has been increase in administration cost for the company. That's basically what has hit the margins in this time. In this quarter, margins have come at 21.88%. Remember, we were expecting a flattish quarter because of the rupee depreciation and the wage hikes kicking in the previous quarter. So we were expecting both the factors to negate each other. So we were expecting only 10 basis point improvement, but it's actually fallen. But having said that, the management has been saying that this is the year where they have been restructuring and making a lot of investments. So there will be some kind of volatility as far as the margins are concerned, or between quarter and quarter. So you have to give discount for that. But as far as market is concerned, market was expecting margins to remain flat, roughly around 23.5%. So that's clearly a disappointment. Another disappointment has been the guidance. Guidance has been, although the band has been narrowed, which was earlier 6 to 10%, but the upper band has been kept at 10%, and the ask rate remains just 0.5% for next 2 quarters.